Hello and welcome to Tech to Know Joe. Today I'd like to give a shout out to Tips with Punch and their video on how to embed a YouTube video in HTML and make it responsive. And as I got finished typing everything up and testing out their information in this video, which you can find a link to that video in the description down below, one of the responses in the video was, I only have access to edit the HTML of the div and iframe. There is any way to use the settings with writing without CSS. Basically they seem to only have access to the HTML file, and they want to know a way to write the code without CSS. I don't know of a way to do it without the CSS, but if you only have access to the HTML file, what you can do is you can actually use the HTML file. At the start of the HTML file, you can use the style in the head setting. You can use style to type up the HTML, or type up the CSS portion into the HTML itself. If you only have access to the HTML file, it will allow you to type up the descriptions for the content of the CSS, and when you click on the file, which is chapter 4 video, it will allow you to bring up the video, and if the code is typed in correctly, when you minimize it, it becomes responsive. So again, I want to give all the props to Tips with Punch. Check their site out. It's got some really good tips on it. But yeah, if all you have to work with is the HTML file for whatever reason, you can underneath HTML, once you type in doc type HTML, the header section, inside the header brackets, just type in style brackets. And inside that style bracket, you can just type in the CSS or copy and paste the CSS. And that's it for this video. Have a great day.